we've made it to day 5, which is one of my favorite movements, the hollow hold. Now the hollow hold is great for a ton of different movements, especially the pull up and getting strength for that, believe it or not. Do these as a gymnast and I remember dreading them, but I'm gonna show you a really, really fun way to get into them. And then we're gonna go over today's challenge and I'm gonna help you learn to love hollow holds. So let's walk through the hollow hold. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get into a ball like this. Give yourself a nice big hug. Your feet are off the ground, okay? Flex your toes, okay? So it means this is pointed, this is flexed, okay? Hold on to yourself. You're gonna take your hands out, you're gonna wave them. Hey, wave them. Okay, keep the feet off the ground here. Okay, you're bouncing on your butt. You're gonna take your hands on your knees on your hands. Okay, you're gonna inhale, exhale, just like we've been doing, and push your knees out with your hands until you extend all the way back and you have your shoulders off the ground, your back is on the ground, your feet are hovering. Now this could be really hard. You might be here and you'd be like, hell to the no, okay? That means what you can do is you can actually come in a little bit more and work on progressing up to the all the way down version. So what that means is, let's say you come here and you're like, okay, I get to here and I'm shaking and I already feel good, then stay here. Inhale, exhale, still really make sure that you are pushing that core in and really keeping the core engaged like we've been learning with that breath, and just hold. So you might be here, that's fine. You might be here. Also totally fine when doing your hollow hold, okay? So you can progress your way up to all the way out. For today's core challenge, we're gonna do a couple of different things. We're gonna do a 30-second hollow hold, okay? I want you to really push through holding for the entire 30 seconds. Then we're gonna do 10 hollow hold circles, and you're gonna repeat this 3 times in total. You can totally take breaks in between. See how far you can go without having to take that break. And remember, you can put your knees and bring your knees into your belly more. You don't have to be extended all the way out. Going all the way out is gonna be a nice challenge for you to get to if you can't get there yet, right? So always think of that. Never think of regression as a bad thing. Always think of it as, hey, I have something that I can work towards to get stronger. Anyway, so again, what you'll do, you're gonna come here, inhale, exhale, push out. You'll hold for 30 full seconds. Hold, hold, hold. And then you're gonna do 10 arm circles. So palms will be up. You'll tap your thumbs to the ceiling and then rotate around. 10 in total. And again, this might look like this. That is totally fine, okay? You're doing this 3 times in total, and I want you to make sure that you post, okay, at @Angela_Gargano, @StrongFeelsGood_, and tell me that you've done this challenge for a chance to win a Strong Feels Good hoodie. And don't forget, we have the Core Revolution, 30-day Core Revolution program, one of my best-selling, most popular programs that we've done. It's gonna teach you everything about getting that strong foundation and core that you have always wanted. And in April, we're doing it all with nutrition coaches as well weekly to help you not only with your core, but also with nutrition. Great addition to anything that you're doing. So do this challenge, have some fun, and make sure you post about it.